So here's a good shot of everything we did last year. New shocks, new upper and lower ball joints, new inner and outer tie rods. I cleaned everything up. There's new bushings in the upper control arms. And what we're doing today is the front spindles. It's the only thing we didn't do last year. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be doing the front wheel bearings on the 87 Corvette. I've got a helper today. It's my buddy's son. You got him?
Got him.
Dude, that was quick. Okay, so now you can go in and by hand and just you can go in by hand and just back them out now.
All right.
Take these 4 lug nuts and just by hand put them on backwards with the cone facing out, but bring them all the way up to the brake rotor. The reason is when we take the caliper off, this won't, because this is just loose.
Okay.
So as soon as we take the caliper off, this is just going to bounce around. These lug nuts help keep it in place.
All right.
Just hand tight, yeah. Not a big deal at all. Okay, you got it. That's good. Now we got to do the bottom one exactly the same way. Okay, that should be good enough now to use this. It should be free enough now to use that. Okay, squirt some liquid penetrant. There's on each nut back here. Oh, we can take this rotor off now as well.
Okay.
And you can just stick it on the ground behind the plastic tub with this surface on the ground. Yep, yeah, there you go. Well, actually, just lay it in the plastic tub. Perfect. All right, we'll take these lug nuts out here, and then what I want you to do is just spray these 4 nuts.
Okay.
And if you want, you can spray this side too. It's not going to do much. This is the side with the threads, but it can't hurt.
Because I just did. Perfect timing.
Yeah. Oh, I know all this stuff, Thor. Because I
Been there, done that.
been there, done that. Now this stuff doesn't take that long to work. It does its job well. So while we're letting it soak, we're gonna pull out the service manual and see what the torque specs are from when we put this back together.
Alright.
Alright, while we're letting that soak, we got our wrenches, they're 15 millimeter, and we'll grab the service manual and we'll look up the torque specs, and that's in, which drawer? Yeah, it's right there. So grab that service manual. Oh, wait a minute, I should be grabbing. Your hands are dirtier than mine.
This is true.
Alright, so we will look up the torque specs.
this chair. Look at me.
It's definitely easier on the back.
Oh yeah.
Now here's what I want you to. You can just leave it. Yeah, just leave it. So here's what I want you to do when you take that out.
Yep.
We're going to remove the 4 bolts now. Don't set that one down in the tub like the other side.
Okay.
We're going to remove the 4 bolts, and you're going to remove it through that large access.
All right.
So the trick, it's like a puzzle. The trick is you got to line up the whole, and don't do that. Tip it the other way. Your bolts are all going to, there you go. There you go, you got it. So yep, you'll keep twisting it till it lines up. Just like that, you got it. Perfect. And then we'll go ahead and do the other side too. Okay, so here's what I want to do now. I want to just clean off this surface really quick. All right. We're gonna get a razor blade. Ooh. And we're gonna try to see, I can see burrs or something here. Okay, I think that's pretty good. I think that's pretty good. So we'll clean this off with the cleaner one more time. Got your rag, and this time wipe down inside of here too.
Okay.
So we'll load the 4 bolts. I'll get the O-ring ready for you. Okay, spin it a little off rotation so a bolt doesn't fall out. There you go. I will roll this on here now. Okay, we're golden.
Good. Let's do it.
And remember to put one of the top nuts in right away. Once you get all 4 bolts in the hole, then throw one of the nuts on, just to help keep it in place. Yep, so now I'll just walk around and just tighten it with that little wrench, hand tight. Don't go, walk all the way around again, baby steps. Perfect, perfect. Now you can tighten them a little bit more. And walk back around it. There you go. Yeah, that's perfect, Thor. Absolutely perfect. All right. Now here's the torque wrench. 46 foot-pounds. And you want to stand up for this? Yeah, you get way better leverage. There it is. But I did have to bend this bracket, Thor, because somebody backed it all up.
Now, who would do such a thing? Who would do that? I can't imagine. Ugh. Must be the car gremlins.
It's all good.
This one's bent up too. But that wasn't my fault.
No, they were super flimsy. I was surprised.
The other one I will take credit for, though. I annihilated that thing.
I'm a little surprised.
So was I. When I started treating it the wrong way and it turned into a pretzel. That's usually a surprise.